Hi, I am super pleased to be providing this testimonial for FlyCode. Essentially, I heard about FlyCode because Sachi reached out to us, and it was actually really well timed because we were looking into all these solutions. And honestly, all the solutions that we were looking at, just for one reason or another, didn't seem to fit our purposes and our business. And when Sachi reached out, I started a conversation with him, and he was incredibly lovely and incredibly willing to work with us. So we didn't use anyone else. We went straight with him because he and the team were just so friendly and helpful. And that's honestly what made us really happy to continue working with him and the team. Not only that, but in the last 3 months that we've been with them, they have delivered results. So our recovery rate went from 60% to 90%, which is phenomenal. And that is actually the main reason why I would highly recommend FlyCode to anyone who's looking for this kind of solution out there. So if you are a founder of any SaaS business, you're using Stripe, you know that recovery can be painful. Don't do it manually. Don't go with anyone else. Definitely go with FlyCode. I cannot recommend them enough, and you will not regret it.